I thought VCC would be like a traditional learning environment because I thought it was just going to be in my head, like learning from textbooks or from YouTube videos and stuff. One of the most important things is professional communications. As a nurse, you would think that it's only about administering medications, taking their vitals, but it's more than that. You also basically talk to your patient and resonate with them, and I was able to get exposed to mannequins. And what surprised me most is they're able to talk, and there are instructors who make the voices, and then they put us a situation or scenario where this is what they were going through. We've learned basically the most essential nursing skills. So we check the airways, we check the breathing, we check their circulations. We also make assessments before making, for example, administering medications. It made me really feel more prepared in terms of this is what I'm expecting in the hospital, and this is what I should be facing.